Hello, Stuart Johnson here from Kingston Finance. I thought I'd spend a few minutes with you today just going through our review system, which allows you, our clients, the opportunity to review your needs and any potential opportunities. And it gives us an opportunity to review those results with you during the free no obligation consultation that you have the opportunity to book. So I'm going to show you how this works, and any questions, feel free to call us. And yeah, that's kind of it. So go to our website, Kingston Finance Limited. Here's our website. You can either click on here, move your business to the next level, where you'll be taken to our review, and you'll be asked to type in a few details. Oops. Okay, this is how the review works. So you'll be issued with several questions. It takes no more than 3 minutes, so it's not particularly time consuming. Answer the questions as much as you can. They're all yes or no questions, luckily. Give it a moment to do its thing. And here we have the review. Now, this is going to be emailed directly to you. And we also get a copy of this. So if you do decide to call us, we know what your potential requirements are. So if we look at the invoice finance section, we know you scored 100%. So invoice finance at the moment tends to be a priority for your business. So cash flow appears to be a priority. It's a major issue for your business. So if you were to call us, that would probably be one of the first things we would talk to you about. Trade finance, you scored 67%. So this is an area which we would also talk to you about. You're probably thinking about either trading internationally or you're buying products from overseas markets. We would obviously want more information about this, but it's something that we would have in mind during our consultation. Asset finance, 80%. So you're either looking to upgrade equipment or vehicles of some sort. You're worried about depreciation or you're worried about upgrading those assets. This is something we definitely want to talk about as well. And property, 83%. Again, these are quite general areas. The consultation will definitely be where we delve into these areas in far more detail. But again, this is an area where we scored quite highly. This is definitely an area we want to talk to you about. So this is going to be emailed to you. This is something for you to think about. Within 24 hours, we'll be calling you to discuss on your feelings on this and whether or not you want to book a consultation. Of course, you have the opportunity to book a consultation with us, but we already have your details. But that's essentially it. That's our score system. So I'll leave that there. Some food for thought for you. And as always, it's been an absolute pleasure talking to you. Have a very good day. Take care. Bye bye.